Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 4-star hotel. The location of the hotel is superb and guests love walking around the neighborhood. There are 10 types of rooms available on booking.com. You can book online and enjoy it. You can see more than 100 reviews of this hotel on booking.com. Its review rating is 9.5, which is the exceptional. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the checkout time is 11 a.m. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. Hotel accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Guests are required to show a photo ID and credit card at check-in. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing